Are you a business owner struggling with expanding your storage space? Is finding right warehouse construction solution overwhelming? Many businesses face the challenge of limited space and inefficient warehouse designs, which can lead to operational disruptions and lost revenue. Traditional construction methods can be time-consuming, costly, leaving you frustrated as you try to keep up with your growing needs. But what if you could simplify the process? With our innovative warehouse construction solutions, you can maximize your storage capabilities without the headaches. Our expert team understands your unique requirements and will collaborate with you to create a custom-designed space that enhances your operations. We leverage cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices to ensure your new warehouse is not only functional but also environmentally friendly. From modular designs that allow for seamless expansion to efficient layouts that optimize workflow, we've got you covered. Warehouse built specifically for your business that accommodates your current demands while allowing for future growth. You won't have to compromise on quality or efficiency, and best of all, you'll be able to focus on what you do best, running your business. To know more details, contact our mobile number or visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.